If you're watching the headlines, you know interest rates have been a hot topic. And if you're buying or selling in Raleigh, you're probably wondering, how are rates affecting our market? The truth is, interest rates have certainly shifted buyer behavior, but not in the way you might expect. Yes, higher rates have caused some buyers to pause, but they've also created new opportunities. We're seeing fewer bidding wars, longer days on the market, and more room for negotiation, especially for buyers with strong financials. On the seller side, some homeowners are holding on to their low rate mortgages, which is keeping inventory tight, but serious sellers are pricing more strategically, and many are offering concessions like buy downs or closing cost assistance. Here in Raleigh, demand remains strong because of our job market, population growth, and quality of life. Buyers who act now can avoid the frenzy, and sellers still benefit from appreciating values. Whether or not you're buying or selling, the key is strategy and having a knowledgeable agent to guide you. Let's talk about how to time your move right in this shifting landscape. Give me a call today at 919-740-0379 or visit us at thehoffmanrealtygroup.com.